So, my question to you, Raul, is that a deal or no deal?
No deal. You've got so many.
That's a no deal? All right.
Good morning, friends. So it is about 10:30. I've been up, just kind of chilling in bed for the last 30 minutes or so, and it's time to actually get up and start doing something. I don't know what the plan is today. They announced some sort of excursion, last minute deal over the intercom. Didn't really hear all the details, but maybe I'll consider doing that. I'm not sure what Rebecca and Tommy and them are doing, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna shower and get ready, and we'll see what we see and do what we do, and we'll talk soon. Hi, friends. So it's about an hour later. What is it? 11:20-ish. And so I just found out that my friends, they ended up booking that excursion I was talking about, that last minute deal that they had. And I just didn't notice them getting a hold of me in time to join them. But that's okay. I'm not even sure if I'm going to get off. So, from what I understand, it's that you just have the cruise port and there's like a few shops and stuff. And then from there, people like travel to like downtown or whatever. There are different excursions and stuff from there. So I might get off just to go look and see what it's like, since I've never been here before. But I don't imagine that I'll be out very long. I'm not much of a shopper anyway. It seems like that's what a lot of people do in Ensenada. They'll go downtown and go through all the shops and the swap meet and all that stuff. Because you can obviously go down there and haggle and get good deals on stuff. But that's not my vibe. I'm sure there are some great food places and stuff to eat. I saw some people are actually going to like McDonald's or something, which is kind of funny. But yeah. So I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen next, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to go eat here on board and then continue to ponder and then go from there. But yeah, we'll do something today for sure. I'll take you with me. We'll see what we see and do what we do, and we'll talk soon.
So I made my way up to deck 9 because I wanted to obviously, get some food. But before that, I wanted to look around and see what the Ensenada port looked like. And looking over the edge of the ship, I determined that there's a very, very small cruise port building, which I'm assuming has at least a gift shop or whatever, but it seemed silly to get off just for that. There was also a Holland America ship next to us, but I don't think it actually was sailing at the moment. I think it was just sitting there because they were doing some work on it or something like that. And so we were the only active cruise ship in port that day. It was also pretty clear that Ensenada is a maritime city, almost kind of like Miami or Port Canaveral, because you could see different cranes and all kinds of different types of equipment and stuff around. And so yeah, I got that kind of like seaport vibe from the area. I was about to grab some food, but before that, I decided to sit down in a lounger and update you all on what was happening.
All right, y'all. So I have confirmed that there is nothing for me to do at the immediate cruise port. I looked over the side of the ship. It's really quite small. And then there's, different travel options to go to other places in Ensenada. But, yeah, I should have planned, I guess, a little bit better. But that's okay. I'm just going to let this be, kind of a chill day. It's always nice to be on board the ship when a lot of people are off, because you have access to all the facilities without lines and stuff. Hopefully not too much is closed, but we'll find out. And yeah, so that's the plan for the day. I'm still debating if I want to actually get off and go down there and look around, but from what I can tell and from what I've been told, it's really kind of a waste of time if you don't have a game plan. Now they have, I know, like a round-trip bus that you can take into downtown for the shopping. I think I may have mentioned that already. It's only a few bucks, so that's an option, but I'm not much of a shopper. I don't know why, it's just never been my vibe. But that's okay. We're going to have fun. We're still going to do things. I'm glad that Becky and Tommy and them got, a game plan on their end. you know, they were kind of unsure of what they were going to be doing today, so that last minute deal came up and they hopped right on it, so good for them. And we'll link back up later. I know I haven't gotten them in the vlog too much. I'm going to try to actually get them a little bit today and tomorrow. I just don't, you know, like, I don't want to make them uncomfortable or make it seem like that's the main focus or anything. So we're just doing our thing, and we'll talk soon.
So I decided to have a burger from Guy's Burger Joint because everybody swears by that place. I'm not the hugest fan of burgers. Not that I don't like them, but it's just one of those things that I kind of have to be in the mood for, and I was this particular day, so it worked out. And then from there, they had trivia going on in the lobby, so I went down there and grabbed a drink from the lobby bar and sat in on the trivia. I didn't actually participate, but I didn't do very well anyway. I can't remember what type of trivia it was, but it wasn't a subject that I was really an expert on. And then at one point, I decided to go up and try the beer machine. They have this beer dispensing machine in the buffet that you pay by the ounce. And then from there, I went down to my room to just kind of chill for a little bit.
All right, you guys, so I was sitting here and I was hearing like a noise outside. And these are portholes. They're very thick glass. But I don't know if you can see them through this window. Gosh, this is not... Ooh, boy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to work. Anyway, there's some seals out there. You can probably sort of hear them maybe. But right there, kind of like in the left center of the screen between, you know, water and dirt marks, there are some seals up there on that concrete. And they're just barking away out there. That's awesome. We'll talk soon.
After chilling in my room for a little bit, Becky, Tommy, and Fam told me that they were back from their excursion in Ensenada and they wanted to meet up with me. So we went up to the pool deck and their oldest decided to do the ropes course. Becky was also going to do it, but she wasn't wearing, I think, the right kind of shirt or something. So we just watched as Emery beasted the course and made Tommy and I look like, you know, little kids. Unfortunately, the youngest wasn't tall enough to do the ropes course, but there were some things around to keep him entertained. And then they decided to play giant chess, and that was pretty entertaining, but it was actually getting kind of cold up there, which was surprising, you know, because we're in sunny Southern California. If I remember right, Tommy won the game, but it was definitely a really close one. So close that maybe even a rematch was warranted. But we decided to go down to the lobby bar to have a drink before dinner.
How's your sangria? Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
So good. It looks good. I almost got one yesterday.
You should have.
Yeah, I'll try. Maybe I'll try it.
The summer wind came blowing from across the sea, and lingered there to touch your head and walked with me. All summer long we sing a song, and then we stroll that golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind.
From there, we went over to the Deal or No Deal game. That's actually something that you can play along with and win money and prizes, kind of like bingo. But we just decided to be general audience members.
Ready to get on the stage with me tonight? Well, good. So, 2 lucky contestants will be coming on the stage. So, you know what? Let's see who's lucky contestant number 1. All right, we got Raul right here. Congratulations. All right, are you sure? Yes. Let's see what's behind case number 6. $50, okay. Good job, just like that. Keep it going. Yes. Yeah, I know, but he still has 400. Yeah. Just give an offer. You talk too much. Bye. All right, let's see what our banker's gonna offer you this time. Hopefully it is a good offer. What shall it be? $75. He's being a little cheeky. So, my question to you, Raul, is that a deal or no deal?
No deal. You've got so many.
That's a no deal? All right. Hello.
He needs to stop
Yes.
listening to the audience like
Yes, $10, $20, and $200. $69. No deal. Okay, we're still in this game. My next question to you would have been, would like to keep your case or would you have swapped it?
Would have kept it.
You would have kept your case.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what's behind case number 19.
Good choice.
$200.
Yeah.
So behind case number 3, we have the $20. So you made a good deal just like that. So let's hear it for Raul right here. Lucky contestant number 1.
So just so you all know, with the update to this ship, you now have to put the key in the thing to get the lights on. But anyway, I came back in right now and look, Effluent. Look at it. So cute. So day 3, tile animal number 3. Carnival definitely are the experts when it comes to tile animals. And yeah, so I'm gonna put Ellie the elephant up there with the rest of the bunch, or Effluent as I like to say. But yeah. And then after that, we're gonna go do some evening activities. So you'll see what I see and do what I do, and we'll talk soon.
After that, we dropped the boys off at Camp Ocean and decided to hang out in the Red Frog pub. And of course, we had a couple of rounds of drinks there and just kind of chilled and listened to the music. And then they had the Love and Marriage show. I've recorded that one on the channel before, and I did get some good footage of it, but I decided not to include any of that in this video. And then immediately after that, we were actually late picking up the boys from Camp Ocean, but they were nice enough not to charge any extra fees or anything. So shout out to the Kids Club team on Carnival Radiance for, being understanding of our tardiness. And then from there we went up to grab some late night food. I got a sandwich from the deli and everybody else got pizza, and then it was time for bed. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and you all have a good night.